Welcome to another PRReach.com video news release. In today's news, Capital Hot Tubs serving Washington, D.C., Fairfax, Virginia, and Clarksburg and Rockville, Maryland publishes 3 easy ways to solve stress. Stress exists everywhere, but teaching people how to identify stressful situations and giving them the resources to deal with them is smart, said Joe Mahoney, president of Capital Hot Tubs. Here are 3 ways anyone can solve everyday stress in a positive, healthy manner. Stop and soak. Taking time to relax in a warm, soothing hot tub is a great way to instantly reduce stress. Hydrotherapy has been a healing solution since the beginning of time. A portable spa makes it easy to have hot water therapy right at your home, and they can be installed on a patio, porch, or in the yard. Move and relax. Working up a sweat with a good workout is healthy for the mind and the body. However, few people realize it is also a great way to relieve stress. Any workout, whether it's an intense aerobic session, a muscle-pumping weight session, or a long walk, will do the job nicely. Dance and smile. Dancing provides the same type of therapy as light cardiovascular exercise. When combined with music, dancing is a fun activity that often makes people smile, bringing about joy, a natural stress relief. To encourage local residents to check out the benefits of using a hot tub to help improve their overall health and well-being, Capital Hot Tubs is providing free test soaks at all their showrooms. They do recommend that, however, that people wanting to schedule their free 30-minute soak call them ahead of time to reserve their spot. Consumers wanting to learn more are encouraged to pick up a copy of this free guide, 7 Steps to Hot Tub Buying Success. Just call 703-359-2807 or visit capitalhottubs.com.